Hi everyone, and welcome to week 6 of TDEC virtual summer camp. Today is Food Waste Friday, so we are going to do a smoothie showing you how you can actually reduce food waste with the ingredients that you put into it. So 4th of July was just last week, and I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. But something that comes with 4th of July is, although lots of delicious watermelon, but also lots of waste from that watermelon. Because what part of watermelon do you normally not eat? The rind, correct, the green outside. But it's actually edible, and it has a good source of fiber, and it can even actually help lower your blood pressure. So I'm going to show you how you can make a delicious smoothie using it, and maybe you can do it next time. Kids, if you want to try out this smoothie, just make sure your parents with you. I have my daughter here as my helper. Say hi. 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 She loves watermelon, and so I figured why not have her help me today. So the ingredients that you're going to need for this is a cup of watermelon, a cup of watermelon rind, make sure to wash it, a cup of strawberries, a tablespoon of honey, you can also use sugar, and then I'm going to use some ice to put in here, but if you freeze the watermelon or the strawberry and have that as a frozen component, then you don't have to put ice. But I did not do that today. So I'm going to start putting this in. So I'm going to put in all the ingredients. Can you hand me the watermelon? So the watermelon goes in. Hand me the strawberries. Thank you. Thank you. Watermelon rind. Put that all in our blender. And put the ice. And then some honey. Alrighty. And the watermelon I'm using is actually super sweet, so this is going to be great. And you can also reduce food waste with this recipe by using overripe strawberries, so some mushy strawberries, and keep them from going in the trash. So let's mix this up. Alrighty, so after it's blended up, you of course put it in your serving cup with a straw, metal straw, be sustainable. And I wanted to make a note that if for some reason your blender, every blender is different, but if you're having a hard time getting the watermelon rind to grind up, just strain it and then put it back in your blender, and that'll help. Also adding a little bit of lemon juice or water will help as well. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video today. We're going to have our taste tester taste this and see what she thinks. Is it good? Yeah? She wants to take the cup. That's good. Well, again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you'll make it and share your success and reducing food waste too. So thanks everyone, and make sure to tune in next week for week 7 of our TDEC virtual summer camp. Say bye.